Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today for another in our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. What we're going to look at today is subscriptions sharing. We have built into the app the ability for you to share your favorite subscriptions very easily out with your friends. How do you do that? Well, let's dive right in and let me show you. You can see in front here I have subscriptions, and you can see the little red 26 there. It tells me that I have 26 unread subscriptions, and you can also see the unreads by the little tiny blue dots. But if we're looking today at sharing. Now, how do I share? So when I click on the share down here, I could choose to go out to like message, and you can notice how it's pasted the quote down here at the bottom. And, I can message my friend Kelvin, and out here he's now going to receive, when I post it, he's going to receive in iMessage the quote and share it. I could do the same with Facebook, I could do the same with Twitter by clicking here on share and going across, and I could click on Twitter, it could paste the quote here, and when I've got it there, it's a little bit over, so I'd actually have to reduce the quote back a little bit. And it makes more sense anyway. But you can see how I can share it out. And now if I do that, I can hit tweet and I've shared it out in Twitter sphere. I could do the same with Facebook, click on share, and that doesn't have a 280 character limit. You can see it right here, and I can click, I'll make it public, click done, and click share, and away it goes, and it's out in my Facebook feed. You can do the same with the Bible reading, the Patriarchs and Prophets, that I may know him, but I suggest maybe a devotional, maybe the thought, the other reading plans, and probably not the best things to share out. But it's good if you just want to share them across with a message or an email. That wouldn't be a problem. So that's how we've built right into the app the ability for you to be able to share your subscription plans with your friends, with your family, or on your social media accounts. I hope that has helped you. Have a nice day.